inside a golden cage sang a bird so bright and true. Dreams of skies beyond the bars and wings that once he knew. One day the merchant said, I go to lands where free birds fly. Tell me, dear one, what you wish, and I will bring it by. No jewels bright nor seeds of gold, but a message sent from me. Tell my kin in forest wide, I long for air and tree. He crossed the seas, he found the flock, and spoke the captive's plea. But one bird fell without a sound, like leaves lost to the breeze. Oh, the wise wind sings, the river knows, the price of love is letting go. Some truths are whispered soft and deep, the way to fly is first to sleep. He told a tale with heavy heart of how the wild bird fell, and as he spoke his own bird gasped and broke its silent spell. It tumbled down so cold, so still, no breath, no life remained. With sorrowed hands he freed the lock and opened up the chain. But wings awoke, the bird took flight, a voice rang through the sky. The way to freedom isn't force, but learning how to die. Oh, the wise wind sings, the river knows, the price of love is letting go. Some truths are whispered soft and deep, the way to fly is first to sleep. The merchant watched with quiet eyes as feathered wings grew small. A heart once bound now understood that love should never fall. Oh, the wise wind sings, the river knows, the price of love is letting go. Some truths are whispered soft and deep, the way to fly is first to sleep.